Hey guys, Wandering Shell here, and once again we're going to be doing another painting, Marvel United X-Men series. This time, Domino. So I'm going to continue what I was doing with Cyclops and Professor X, and do some facts about the character instead of me talking about how I painted this character. Let me know if you like me doing this. If not, I'll go back to talking about how I painted the characters. Well, let's get started. Domino seems like a perfect time with Marvel teasing a new Domino-led group of superheroes in Domino Hotshots. Some fans may be aware of Domino's rich history in the comics, so today we're going to take a look at some of the few things. So her abilities. Something many fans tend to find a little confusing is defining what exactly Domino's abilities are. Domino has the ability to alter the probability field around her and her direct eye line with random telekinetic events. She does, however, do all this subconsciously with no real control over her ability beyond it working for her in her favor and activating when she is in dangerous situations. She was possessed by a undying alien. Back in the year 2000, Cable was 80-ish issues into his solo run and being written by Robert Weinberg when he found himself with the awkward job of removing a cosmic parasite from Domino. Let's see. She co-founded the X-Force, kind of. Despite what the second Deadpool film may have you believe, it was actually Cable who formed the X-Force with Domino as a founding member. Domino had secretly been replaced with the mutant's copycat and was being held hostage by Mr. Trollvier, later Cable's son, Tyler. It was over a year before Domino was finally able to escape from him with the help of Cable. She was born and raised in a knockoff super soldier project. Well, that's interesting. There's a lot of questionable government projects that all spawned from Captain America's original super soldier serum. Whoa, say that 5 times fast. One of the many projects that were created in the aftermath of the success of Captain America was called Project Armageddon, a particularly nasty incarnation of the super soldier project. Project Armageddon saw the government using a mutant woman as a surrogate to birth children that would be raised as super soldiers. Unlike most weapon experiments, Domino spent most of her childhood being experimented on, and a lot like most weapons experiments, she was the sole survivor of these experiments, sort of. She later found out the experiments continued and that she had a stepbrother named Lazarus. But that's a story from another article. The 198. If you haven't read House of M, spoilers, apparently. Wanda, aka Scarlet Witch, is not what you would call a picture of mental health. No kidding. In fact, she's been driven so mad that she decided maybe the world would be a pretty chill place if all mutants were gone, and then she just does it. Leaving behind a world where all but 198 mutants have been relieved of their abilities. And just who do you think was lucky enough to keep her mutant powers? Interesting. Recruited by the NSA. So if you got recruited by the NSA on your mutant Like many mercenaries, Domino was recruited at a young age. Shortly after running away from the church she was raised in at around the age of 15. Domino, now familiar with her abilities and skilled enough to survive, is approached by the NSA. They have an opportunity for someone with her unique abilities, call it good luck, call it heartless government using children they publicly vilify as weapons, whatever you want to call it. And apparently she has a fear of chickens. She has a fear of chickens. Okay, well, that's something interesting. I don't know what you guys think. Boy, I have a lot more to go. Let's see. She discovered the identity of the Red Hulk. I didn't know he was a mystery. Don't need to know that one. She's an occasional ally of Deadpool. Kind of knew that from Deadpool 2. Her real name isn't really her name. Domino's real name, Nina Thurman, might seem like a homage to Uma, but it actually has a complex backstory. Given her troubled childhood, no one is really sure what her actual name is. The Thurman part comes from Milo Thurman, a genius scientist Domino was hired to protect early in her career. She took over Deadpool's merc team. Domino's close connection to Deadpool continues into modern continuity. Deadpool attempted to franchise himself by starting up a mercs for money, a mercenary group that used his fame for profit. Interesting. So Domino is a survivor of a bunch of unethical scientists who were trying to create the perfect weapon. After her scientifically abused past, she turned into mercenary work, which put her in contact with Cable, who frankly deserves... okay... Oh, spoiler of this one. Apparently Cable is the time-traveling secret son of Cyclops and Jean Grey. What? I thought they had 2 kids. Now the plot thickens. So Domino has all the talents and skills for a mercenary or secret agent, but she also has the probability powers. So in Deadpool 2, Domino's fight scenes are characterized by cascading Ruby Goldberg-like effects that always turn out in her favor, but the road to her effortless combat wasn't immediately obvious to the folks behind the movie. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Later.